Hello, hello, it's probably Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've not been here before. I just finished this pretty, beautiful, interactive journal. She's fat, she's got some junk in the trunk, but she's not quite an alligator mouth. She's just right. Plenty of space for you to add more things. So let's just get right to it, right? So first off, we see the tassel is what we see first, at least for me. And I got this little pocket watch a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, probably a little over a year ago. And my thought when I bought it was to use it on a tassel of a journal. And this is the first chance that I've actually done it. So I think it turned out really cute, just how I imagined. There's also a little charm here, a little heart locket. So this little pocket watch actually does work. So it's a functioning watch. So you're probably wondering, maybe you're wondering, where did I get this? I got it from Temu. Please don't be mad at me. And we don't need a community stoning. I know there's a lot of people with some strong feelings about Temu, but yeah, that's where I got it. Please don't hate me. And I don't remember how much it was. Like I said, it was a while back. So yeah, so let's just jump in. So this has 4 signatures. They are bound in with pamphlet stitch. I did a 4-hole pamphlet stitch. And let's see. I guess we'll untie it so you can see the side a little bit better. So the tie closure is ran behind the inner cover. So let's just take a look here. See, look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? A lot of stuff going on. All right, so this very first part we see, I did a tutorial on this, so it might look familiar for some of you. For those of you who don't think it looks familiar, let's take a look. So I'm just going to untie this. It just loops around, and then this little piece goes through the string, and it just kind of cinches closed. It's like a little belt. So let's open that up. Let's see. Yeah. So first off, we have this, and there is a little pocket in there. There is a lot of places that are tuck spots and pockets that I have not put things into, and when we come to those, I will point it out. I just didn't want to bulk it up too much, so I did leave a lot of them, not a lot, a few of them empty. So this flips open like this. This is an envelope, so I cut the side off to make that a large pocket. And we open it up for some more writing space. And I did add this since I did the tutorial on this inner cover part. I added these envelopes. So this just flips down. There's little writing paper in there. Flips down again. Flips over. Flips up. So these are all envelopes, all like linked together. And look how tiny this is. Cute little note card. Let's see what it says. Snoopy little bugger, aren't you? I'm just kidding. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to leave that in there because I am going to sell this journal on Etsy. I don't know if I should leave that in there or not. What do you think? I don't want to offend anybody. I just thought it was funny. If you go to all the trouble to open up all of those envelopes, you must be a Snoopy little bugger. So there's a flip up there. All right. Okay, so let's move on. So here we have our first page. And there's just like a frame with some vellum. So you can kind of see the tag through there. It all kind of goes together, I think. There's a lot of writing space in here. I love how this turned out. It's like I just glued the top of the flower so that it can tuck over the side of the pocket. So that way you don't, if you go like this, you losing all the flower, half the flower. So I thought it was cute to do it like that because then it adds to the page and you can still see the whole thing. This is a hidden paper clip with a charm on it, and I do have a tutorial on that, and I will link that below if anybody's interested. Those hidden paper clips are kind of fun, and that's just holding on to some writing paper. And this is the Edith Holden page. I just turned it into like a little flip out thing, so you have lots of writing space in there. You have a little envelope. I haven't put anything in there. Again, just trying not to bulk up the book too much. And then the flap for the envelope is here. You can tuck things behind. There is a little tuck spot here. And then here's another large writing tag. And paper clipped a couple little bits on here. Little corner tuck with some writing paper in there. This has 3 pockets. So there's 1, 2, 3. You can tuck a lot of things in there. And I do have a tutorial on how to make these like little number tags. I can put the link for that below as well if you're interested in learning how to do that. And we have a nice large tag here, and then this is like a notebook. So by putting this tag in the pocket, it is holding that little notebook closed. Then we have button and string closure over here with a waterfall notebook inside. Then behind the pages, we have a belly band. Nice little writing card in there. Kind of a hidden writing card. But I really like this layout, how it all looks together. This is the coffee dyeing with the stencil. I just love the look of that. And then I ran this piece of cardstock through a paper crimper. You always have to do that when you come to this page. And I'll try to find the link for that too, because that's kind of fun. You get the corrugated look without being too bulky. I like that. These are actual vintage stamps. I'm not sure exactly how old they are, but they're kind of old. This is avocado dyed paper. And we have a book page, a couple of book pages made into a couple of side pockets. They're large pockets, so you can tuck a lot of stuff in there. And then I put some little hearts on the end of the binding thread here in the middle of this signature. Lots of writing space. I have this card paper clipped onto the page here. Has a little tag tucked inside. A tag and a tag. This is a tuck spot. Tuck things, oops. Tuck things up in there. Oh, I love this one too. Okay, so my initial thought was to tie this to the page, putting a hole in the page and the little CD envelope, and then it would tie closed. But what I was worried about is somebody wouldn't know that it's tied to the page and open it and rip the page. So I decided to just clip it with this bulldog clip. I have a little charm on there. So it opens up. I put the image inside of the envelope and then I sewed around. So you can't put anything in the envelope, but you can right on the back of it. There's a little tag there, an envelope, some paper inside, and then another little pocket with a tag here. I just love how this turned out. Just love the look. I love bees. I'll just say it. I love bees. So I just actually hit my 1-year anniversary when I started posting videos again. So it's been a year. And I want to do another giveaway to celebrate that. So I think I'm going to be making a little journal, probably a tab-bound journal, and do a giveaway for that pretty soon. So I'll probably announce that in my next video that I post. So be watching for that if you want to play along. See if you can win on my little journal giveaway. Yeah, that year has gone by pretty fast. It's been a lot of fun. Here's another tag that has the flower that peeks over the edge, but this, instead of it just being a pocket, it's also a tuck or a flip open card. More writing space. I just love that, tucking the flowers over the edge like that. Flowers are like friends. They bring color to your world. Isn't that true? So this is a 12 by 12 piece of paper that I folded in half. Then I folded it in half again and then bound it inside. A couple little flip ups there. A little tuck spot here. Large belly band here. Another one of those number tags. A cute little tag in here. Just put a little playing card. Use that for a pocket. And then this opens up. This was a grocery sack that I made a big page out of. And then we have some more of the vintage stamps up here. Oh, I love this one. I feel like I'm... There we go. This is a notebook, and I love making these. I love using these, but you really can't use very many in a journal because they're thick and they, you know, bulk up the journal too much. But there's a few little pages in here, and a cute little charm. And I just have that clamped on the side. This is a Edith Holden. It was a poem out of a Edith Holden book, and I made the tag, and I was going to put something on the front, and I couldn't bring myself to cover up the little poem, so I ended up just stenciling over it just to give it a little more something, so it wasn't so plain. But then you can still read the little poem, so that worked out good. Win-win. This is an envelope made out of a book page. There's nothing in there, but here's an envelope. Here's a junk envelope. It's made into a pocket, and I put a little pocket on the front as well. Oh, I love this one too. So I'm trying to get used to using the pictures, the photos, portraits. I'm just not one that uses a lot of images of people, but I'm trying to get used to it. So this is kind of, I'm breaking myself in. So we have this happy lady. And yeah, I just love how it all ties in together. And this is a flip open page. Okay, then we have the other side of the junk mail envelope. Cute tag in there. Layers and layers of paper. And here is some old sales, what do you call them? Sales receipts. Yeah, this from 1945. October 13th, 1945. So all of these were together. So they're all from the same date. But yeah, these are actual old vintage stuff. There's a little pocket here. And then in this envelope is some paper that matches the envelope, just some more writing paper. Just have that paper clipped on. And then here we are at the back. So we have a couple of flip ups here. Oh, there is a pocket, sorry, right here. And then I keep this in here. Just by putting this in there, it helps keep that one closed. So that is the journal. Tell me what you think. What did you like? What didn't you like? Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you guys for staying until the end. I will see you when I create my next video. Bye guys.